welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can edit your notification settings on YouTube. So select the bell icon over here, which is the notifications tab, and for instance, you want to edit the settings, just click on the gear icon, and then it'll take you to notifications settings. Choose when and how to be notified. Select push and email notifications you'd like to receive. For instance, you want to get notifications in this browser, so you're just going to enable that and press allow. And here you can also adjust your preferences. For instance, you don't want to get any notifications on replies, you can turn that off, like also mentions, and the changes are going to be saved automatically. But yeah, that is basically how you can change your notification settings on YouTube. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!